Welcome, Buccaneer. In this tutorial, we will learn how to confirm and update our profile information. You are responsible for maintaining a current home or permanent address, phone number, and a non-Berry email address on file with the university by confirming the information every academic year. First, log into your student portal. On the home screen, click on your username located in the upper right corner next to the Sign Out button. In the drop-down menu, click the first link labeled User Profile. First, confirm the information on the account. If the information already listed is correct, click on the Confirm button and continue to the next section. If the information is incorrect or not updated, click on the Add New button and fill out the text boxes before clicking the blue button to save your information. Once the address, email, and phone number are confirmed, the profile update process is complete. That's it. Don't forget that updating and confirming your contact information each year is essential for enrollment eligibility. Completing this process ensures you can proceed smoothly with your registration process in student planning. Thanks for tuning in.